Damaged screw heads like this aren't too difficult to repair if you've got the right tools. Let's take a look at this process. The slot has been badly damaged by a screwdriver that didn't properly fit the slot, and it looks terrible. To repair this screw, we'll build up the head with a TIG welder and recut the slot. First, I've generously opened up the slot to accept the weld. The V shape allows the arc to penetrate all the way to the bottom. It takes small wire, low amperage, and a steady hand to weld a bead on a small part like this. The next step is to remove the excess weld from the sides and top of the screw head. Turning the screw in a lathe or drill press is the easiest way to do this. Light cuts are necessary to prevent catching the bit on the weld, as it is both rough and hard. Once the screw head is restored to the original diameter, I can dress down the top with a file. I'm using a Swiss 00 cut file for this job. Notice that I've coated the head of the screw with Dykem and made a mark at the correct height to keep from filing off too much material. With the screw head filed to the correct height, I'll use a screw slot file to cut in the slot. The sides of this file are smooth, which allows me to easily cut the slot to the correct width and depth. Looks pretty good. Now I need to polish out the file marks. Abrasive paper in progressively finer grits, using a file as a backer, is my preferred method for this polishing. And this is what a properly repaired screw looks like.